Okay, what's up guys? Welcome back. Today's pretty cool. It's kind of a twofer. I got this spoiler from Halo Black that I'm going to show you guys in a second. But the problem with that is I love Halo Black spoilers so much. I already have a spoiler, the OEM one from the performance model on my car. So I'm going to take that one off and I'm going to put Halo Blacks on, which is 100% carbon fiber. And I'm going to show you guys how that's done. So we have the OEM carbon fiber spoiler that you get with the performance model. So it's time for a change. This looks good, but Halo Black I think outdoes Tesla in the spoiler here. Now I've looked and I've searched everywhere to try to find a video of how to take a spoiler off of a wrapped car. No one has made a video, so I'm gonna try to make a video of that, and hopefully I do well and don't mess up my wrap. So before I get started, I'm gonna wipe this bad boy down. Adams Polish is waterless wash, love it. Ooh, dirty. I hate having a dirty car and this pains me right now. God. Let me try not to let my OCD kick in because I will be washing down this entire car if that happens. Alright, so I have talked to a few friends of mine in the automotive detailing industry, and they recommend using a steamer or a heat gun to get this off with the adhesive. So I have those. I've got my steamer, my heat gun, and my fishing wire to thread this through the back to remove the adhesive, and any numerous tools that I might need. I'll keep you guys posted on that, but let's get this party started. Let me go ahead and cut off some string. Come on, steamer. Jesus Christ. It has never taken this long to heat up. Ooh, all right. Oh, we got action. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start by taking the steamer and just going over here at the top and the bottom. I don't know if I'm doing this right again. I'm just going with the flow. Making sure hopefully it gets underneath to the adhesive. I don't want it to get too hot. Got some condensation down there though. Is that good? Is that bad? We're gonna find out. Try to get this corner here. Okay. Don't know if that's long enough or not, but now, I'm going to take my wire, start on this side so you can see. I'm just going to go like this. It's going across pretty easily. Oh yeah, it's getting in there, I can hear it. Please don't mess up. I guess I'm okay with my wrap being a little bit scratched underneath where the spoiler is because I'm putting a new spoiler over it. But of course I would like to do this as cleanly as possible, you know. This is where it's getting tougher in this area. Oh, this is going across pretty smooth. Uh-oh. We are moving. Oh. Yo. Guys, I didn't scratch my wrap. Hell yeah. This came off pretty clean. Either it wasn't attached at all and somehow mystically stayed, or I just did a dang good job. We'll go with the second option. Come on up in here, let me show you how it turned out. I mean, you know, some dirt that I'll have to clean. And we're gonna see if we can get all that off right now. Not too bad. Here's the other corner. All right. Gotta turn it on first, dude. Wow, look at that. Wouldn't even know that I had a spoiler on this thing. I just started playing the keyboard and the guitar at the same time. What? This is the Halo Black spoiler. I think it looks amazing. On the back there, nice little detail. Carbon fiber looks sick. I love this little groove here. So Halo Black, Tesla. And of course, Halo Black gives you everything you need for the installation. I mean, we got extra 3M tape. You hardly ever see that. You know, this really cool keychain. The little wet wipes to wipe it down. And you're gonna have your sticker for easy alignment. Hi, baby. Yeah, mommy. Oh, it's the best. Oh, hello. It's the best road companion right here. She's always ready to go somewhere, huh? I'm always ready for the car ride. Yeah. I encourage you guys to get a husky. Adopt, don't shop. Yeah. Okay, now that that is finished, we are going to align the new spoiler on here. Should be in the middle. So my only concern here is, if you can see, I might want to add some more 3M tape on this edge right here, just to get full coverage. Okay, so I think I'm good. I think I'm in the middle. Alright, so yeah, they're equal on each side. So this end here is about 1 inch away on both sides from the center of the taillight. So I should be okay. Now what you do here is you just cut. Boom. And your 3 dots are going to be on the car, on this piece here, and then 3 dots as well on your spoiler. And then when you put it back, you're just going to align those dots, black on top, white on bottom, and make sure they are straight, like that. So since the ends come to a point, I'm going to try to take this and come to a point on this piece. Bam! Like that. Heat this thing up a little bit. This is a little bit cold outside. Go over this area really quickly. Not too much. And I'm gonna go over my spoiler here. Realign my circles. Push and hold all the way around. Giving it some pressure, even on these edges here, because I do not want those to come off. Push and hold all the way around. And then, for added protection, oh yeah, take that thing on there. Okay, I did it, and I'm stoked, and it was a lot easier than I thought. So, as you guys saw, I applied tape onto my spoiler to help it adhere. So I'm gonna leave that on there for probably 24 hours. I just gotta remember not to open my trunk. And then I'll be back with you guys to show you the finished product.
24 hours later.
Okay, here we go. The final product. Look at that. I went ahead and took the tape off already. And it's raining outside, so I gotta be inside, but that looks so dang good, y'all. Wow. Insane. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Again, I thank you for the likes and the subscribers, and I will catch y'all on the next one.